Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into AliExpress app step by step. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you have an active internet connection. Once the app opens, it will directly redirect you to the sign-in page. If you previously created your account using Face ID passkey, AliExpress may automatically ask you to continue with Face ID. Tap continue and your phone will scan your face to log in instantly where no password is needed. But if you are not using the Face ID passkey, you will see different login options: Google, Apple ID, Facebook, Twitter. Just tap the platform that you used during the registration and follow the on-screen instruction to log in. To log in with email, simply tap the email address within the email field. Once entered, tap continue, where it will send a verification code within your inbox. You can just simply open the Gmail, then copy paste the verification code provided and enter it within the verification code field, and now you'll be redirected to the AliExpress homepage, and that's how you can log into your AliExpress account. So you can now browse products, track orders, as well as start shopping. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.